Welcome to the NPSB Online Registration System. In this video, we will walk through the appropriate steps involved in registering your student for the 2022-2023 school year. We will demonstrate the steps needed for the following scenarios. 1. Registering a student that is currently enrolled in a Natchitoches Parish school with at least one parent or guardian registered in the J-Campus Student Information System. 2. Registering a student that is currently enrolled at a Natchitoches Parish school but no parents or guardians are registered in the J-Campus Student Information System. And 3. Registering a student that is new to the district. To begin, please navigate to npsb.la and select Online Registration from the options below the banner. To begin, select 2022-2023 Online Registration for current students. If the student and their parent or guardian have already been registered in J-Campus, you can sign in on the left side of the page. On the next page, choose Register New User in order to first register your own information with the J-Campus Student Information System. The demonstration being used here will be with a fictional father, Bob Kozad, and his two children, David and Michael Kozad. You will need to enter your relationship with the student, your first and last name, and your student's PIN number, which is the last 5 digits of their social security number. After selecting Continue, you will be logged into the system where you will be shown your student's information as it currently exists in our information system. From here, you will be able to make corrections, specify the means of transportation for your students, and upload copies of required documents. In order to complete the registration process, you must proceed through each set of information and verify the accuracy and completion of all requested information. After verifying and/or entering data on each page, select Save and Continue on the bottom of each page in order to proceed to the next page. If the mailing address is the same as the physical address, you may select Same as Physical Address. If the information already registered in the system is correct and no changes are needed, you may select No Change. On the Permissions page, you may confirm your acceptance or denial to specific permissions and conditions, as they are detailed in the NPSB District Handbook. A copy of this handbook is viewable from this section of the registration process and is also linked at the online registration homepage. Please note that a valid email address and cell phone number are needed in order to complete the registration process. After entering all information, you will be provided an opportunity to review information that you have updated, as well as see if there is any missing required information. Once submitted, you will have completed the online registration process. If your student is new to the district this year, please select the link titled 2022-2023 Online Registration for New Students. On this page, you may enter your first and last name, as well as either a valid cell phone number or email address that you can be contacted with. You will then be prompted to provide a code sent to either your email or phone to verify that they are active. After entering the validation code, you will be able to complete the registration process for your J-Campus account. Once this is completed, you will be able to move on to adding any additional parents, guardians, or extended family that you would authorize for emergency contact and/or student pickup. We advise that at least one other person be specified as an emergency contact. After this has been completed, you will be able to proceed with registering your student. You will be prompted for the student's name, social security number, the grade they will be going into for the school year, and their ethnicity. Afterwards, you will be able to list all parents, guardians, and their relationships with the student, as well as if the student lives with them, if they are an emergency contact, to designate the primary guardian, and specify who can pick the student up. Once completed, you will be able to continue with designating language information, physical address, transportation method, mailing address, and upload relevant documents. Afterwards, you will be able to specify which school you would prefer your student to attend, based off of the student's residential address, as well as provide any information about the last school the student attended. After designating a mailing address and phone number, you will be prompted to enter the student's primary care physician and any relevant medical issues or allergies. You will then be able to specify any special education needs that were provided by the student's previous school. Next, you will be able to provide permissions to an acceptance of NPSB policies as designated by the NPSB District Handbook. On this last screen, you will be able to review any information that has been submitted. If items are missing, they will be designated by the red X, as you can see in the Documents tab. Clicking on this will allow you to continue correcting and submitting the information. Please note on the Documents page that you will need to select Upload Documents before selecting Continue to Review and Submit. Once everything for your submission is in order, you will be able to sign and submit your request. Further information regarding your submission will be sent to the contact method or methods you submitted. If you have any issues with the registration process, you may choose the Online Registration Question Portal and submit a form with your issue and contact information. Additionally, you can go to the NPSB homepage and select the Schools drop-down tab. Click on your student's school and scroll to the bottom of the page. There you will find the number to the secretary who may be able to provide further assistance.